All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm in the house with something truly special. You don't see this very often, because I got something special here. Yeah, as usual, guys, I just want to remind you to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think about this fella in the comments down below. You can also check out fablades.com, see if there's anything that tickles your pickle, or you can also check out at Fablades on Instagram. Anyways, this guy comes with a classic black Shiro box, classic black Shiro cloth, and classic neon OG 3D going on in the house. This is something you really don't see because there's 30 made of these guys and it's very rare. This fella is a little bit smaller than the Neon Zero. It is 19 centimeters overall in length and 8.5 for the blade and 11 for the handle. This is a pre-custom division logo Neon. This is the Neon OG 3D because of course has 3D milled scales. This is something really special. So this is a sprint run of 30 made. It is numbered somewhere there is a numbering, I believe is on the inside. So you have the roller bearings logo right there, which, oh, here you go. You have number 28 right there. So there's 30 made of these guys, and this is the precursor of the Neon production model. And you have this nice swoop micro milling, very similar to the F5 Silk, which I got right over here. I'm just gonna do a size comparison real quick. Neon F5, so F95, Hattie F3 size. Just gonna show you a couple of Chris Reeve knives. I got a small and a large Sebenza 21 Blade HQ exclusive with a nice Damascus blade. A couple from Holt. You get a haptic and you get a Spectre. So you have an idea of the Neon size, and just another couple here because I like couples. Here is the Duckling and here is the Duck. Look at this picture, pretty cool. Love Cody Utzler. Great style. Nice design language. But anyways, I love also Shiro. That's why we're here. To check out this Neon OG 3D, frame lock titanium, S90V steel, micro milling going on the show side, on the back side, 3D milling, chamfering in, out, internal milling pockets to reduce the weight. This is a 2015 knife, I guess, so 7 years old at right now, 2022. And it was already packing amazing features back then. Like, look at the geared back spacer. This is stuff we still see in the custom division now, maybe in the Zero line, but still, this is incredibly done. There's a dual tone finish on the spacer. Look at the satin flats going on. That's just unique. Just, peak, like, just look at that. Nice little detail. Of course, you have the lanyard loop going on, integrated into the back spacer. You have one screw which is blind, and it's just screwing in into the show side scale, which is not like my favorite option, but for sure helps to keep a clean look on the show side. Really good chamfering going on, like you can already see where they were going. Crazy detail right up here, the back spacer just protecting the tip, which is perfectly centered. Very nice. Finger groove going on over here, a little bit of room to access the lock bar. You get a stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside with the Shiro screw right there. Oh, there's another little detail I wanted to tell you, because this is preceding the custom division logo. There's no logo, and there's everything else except couple things. One is the pivot collar that is missing because this is one of the first one, and so no pivot collar. Basically, you have no captive pivot, like in this case. This is a faux screw. You access the screw from the lock side. Right over here, you access from the show side. This is blind. So this is, of course, as you can see, spinning. So that's something that is missing, but I believe it's the only thing that is missing, because you have the dual tone finish, you have higher end steel S90V, you have 3D milled scales, you have internal milling pockets, you have roller bearings. I mean, you get all the bells and whistles that are running into the custom divisions. Nowadays we have like improved custom division features, yes, but this is 2015, guys. This is something ridiculously good for the time. It's very, very nice. There's no detent ball ramp, of course. You get a tip-up carry-only pocket clip, blind screw also. I love it. Super clean back. You just see this couple screws going on over here. The pocket clip has a strong retention, but works very, very well in and out. Nicely done. You don't have any jimping on the flipper tab. That's another little difference that you see, but it's fine because the detent is a little bit lighter compared to the Neon NL custom division, which has some jimping and a stronger detent, but this guy has probably one of the sexiest blade shapes. This is the blade shape of the Unihation custom division with the double swedge. Look at this work, is gorgeous. Polished flat, stone washed, primary bevel, very, very tiny micro bevel going on, pretty much 30% belly. Rest is straight edge up to the sharpening choil in the Shirogorov style. Look at that. Look at this little milling going on, chamfering around the flipper tab. It is very, very cool indeed. I really love it. This sound, ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Beautiful. Let me see what is the weight on this fella, because it's a very, very nice feel into the hand. This guy is 85.3 grams. So very cool. Feels great in the hand. It's gorgeous, guys. Like, it just fills my hand beautifully, even if it's a smaller knife. There is no jimping going on over here, of course, as you can see. But these two swedges are creating some of the nicest geometry in the business. Would you look at that? This is handmade, guys. This is not machined. So the craftsmanship, the experience, the knowledge that goes into making this blade is just outstanding. No hot spots. This thing just flips out like crazy. I don't know, has a different feel to the hand. It really is gorgeous. The micro milling, the fit and finish. There's no gaps, guys. It's one of my favorite knives. There's no rattling. This thing is solid. There's no flex. Feels good in the hand. You can do reverse grip pretty well. Handle to blade ratio, it's still gorgeous. A little bit smaller than the Neon. This guy is running on roller bearings. Check out my maintenance video if you want to see how this guy is under the hood. I was looking, because great pivot system going on for sure. Look at the action right over there. Nice detent indeed, and the rollers are just spectacular, even on a smaller blade like that. Love this one. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.